At D&L Mechanical Services, you're not just a customer, you're family, and family comes first. So what are our customers saying about D&L? Well, they're saying that they're too cold. What do I mean by that? They're saying that their house has never been that cold. They've had to turn the thermostat up.
I would recommend D&L throughout my entire neighborhood and to most people in the Fredericksburg area. They've done quality work with us. I have a great new HVAC system and for a decent price, and I couldn't be more happier.
For heating, air conditioning, and indoor air quality, D&L Mechanical Services is a place to come, where we take care of our customers from the start of the phone call to the end of your service.
I promise you that I can give you the information that will help you, because I know it's tough being a woman out there and having no idea how to fix, repair. You always rely on your husband. Well, guess what? Now you have the L in D&L. When you call, I promise you, you're going to get the information you need. You're going to get the appointment, you're going to get the technician, you're going to get exactly what you called for.
We ended up having a fire in our basement. Darren and Lisa saved us. They came out that morning. They heard the urgency in my voice and they came out. He showed me the part that had oil all over it. It makes me want to work for them.
So with our preventive maintenance, we provide iPad technology where we take pictures as we're servicing the unit. So our customers get to see a bird's eye view of exactly what we see, from start to finish. And that is provided to our customers at the end of our preventive maintenance.
I don't think they're there to hurt you financially. I think their heart's in the right place and they're fair. They did everything they were asked to do, and we weren't expecting this to happen in the first place.
D&L Mechanical Services is more than just your average everyday heating and air conditioning company. We are a qualified, caring team that wants to give solutions, and that's what separates us from the rest.
At D&L Mechanical Services, you're not just a customer, you're family, and family comes first. And welcome to the D&L family.